Hello everyone. So here we have one polynomial equation, you can say, and we'll try to solve this one. If you would like to solve this question, give it a try. Otherwise, keep watching. So what we are going to do here first, I'll first simplify this. So what I'll do, I'll keep this one. This is 2 by 10 x minus 2 26. This is as it is, but here clearly you can write this one as 1 by 5, right? And this is equals to 26. Therefore this is 5 and this is 5 to the power minus 1 x to the x minus 2, okay, using exponential formula. And now let's simplify. This is going to be 5 2 minus x, right, 26. And now if you simplify, this is going to be plus 1, so 3 minus x is 26, right? So now what we'll do here, we'll do this one 1 by 5, 3 minus x becomes x minus 3 is equals to 26. Now here the main technique lies. What I'll do, I'll try to convert this one in the form of this one, right? How? See, in next step also 1 by, this is now going to be x minus 1 minus 2, 26, right? Now you can clearly see that we have a form x minus 1 here and here as well. So we'll move this minus 2 to numerator using exponential rule. So now my new equation will be 5 to the power x minus 1 plus this one is going to be 5 square by 5x minus 1 is equals to 26. Now we successfully completed this form here. Now we can substitute this entire quantity. Okay, so now what we'll do, let 5 to the power x minus 1 is equals to t, right? Therefore this entire thing is now t plus 25 by t is equals to 26. And now this is t square. If you simplify, okay, this is a quadratic equation. Now this is going to be, okay, so this is my quadratic equation. Let's check if we can solve this one using factorization method. So what I can do now here, I can do t square minus t minus 25 t. I can break down this minus 26 t square like this plus 25, so that I can factorize easily. So now take t minus 1 and this one is 25 t minus 1 clearly. Therefore now t minus 25 into t minus 1 is 0. Therefore t is equals to 25 or t is equals to 1. Okay, so we got the value of t here and here. So now as we know t, the value of t is this one. So what we'll do, it means 5 to the power x minus 1 is equals to 25. Therefore 5 to the power x minus 1 is equals to 5 square. Therefore x minus 1 is equals to 2. Therefore x is equals to 3. Very simple rule. In the exactly same way, if 5 to the power x minus 1 is equals to 1, then 5 to the power x minus 1 is equals to 5 to the power 0. Therefore x minus 1 is equals to 0. Therefore x is equals to 1. So we got two value for x, either x is equals to 3 or x is equals to 1 here. So the answer is x is equals to 3 or x is equals to 1, which satisfies this equation. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in next video next time. Till then, bye bye.